Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into a clear and simple step-by-step guide on how to activate your Green Dot Prepaid card, so you can start using it without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. Activating your Green Dot Prepaid card is a straightforward process that ensures your card is ready for all your spending and saving needs. Let's walk through the steps together to get you started right away. First, make sure you have your Green Dot Prepaid card and personal identification handy. This will help. Verify your identity during the activation process. Begin by visiting the official Green Dot activation website, or you can also activate the card by calling the toll-free number found on the sticker attached to your card. When you reach the website or call center, you will be prompted to enter your card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number or another form of ID for verification. Next, create a secure PIN number that will keep your card transactions safe. Choose a PIN that you can remember, but that is hard for others to guess. After setting your PIN, your card will be ready to use. But it is important to check your card balance to ensure your initial deposit has been received and is correct. To do this, you can either log into your Green Dot account online or use the Green Dot mobile app. Both options provide easy access to your balance, recent transactions, and other useful features. If you run into any problems or your card does not activate immediately, don't worry, you can contact Green Dot customer service for assistance. They are available to help with any questions or issues you might encounter. Once your card is activated and ready to go, you can start using it for everyday purchases online or in stores, bill payments, and even cash withdrawals at ATMs. Anywhere Visa is accepted, your Green Dot card will work. Just keep track of your spending and manage your funds through the Green Dot website or app to make the most of your prepaid card experience. Remember, activating your card is the first step towards gaining more control over your money and enjoying the convenience of a prepaid card. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides and tips.